doing the potato harvest in Idaho. This is what they call the cellar. It's where they store the potatoes. We've had 2 truckloads come in today. And these big pipes with the holes in them go underneath the potatoes to help keep them aired out so they don't rot. They'll be here for 7-8 months. And what I do is I use this pan to grab samples when the potatoes are coming out of the truck. And we put the samples in here, and they bring this back to the plant, and they weigh them and test for quality. So basically, we take 8 samples out of the truck, and of those 200 pounds or so that we pull out, they know what quality is of what's in the truck, and that's how the farmer gets paid.
No, she wants a video.
So basically, with one of these big semis, we pull 8 samples. One at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In other words, we time it, kind of eyeball it, to pull them at the different sections as they're coming out. So this is how many comes out of one truckload. And one of these boxes will hold about 4 truckload samples, which is actually, this is about 200, 250 pounds. So this tote holds 800 to 1,000 pounds of sample potatoes. We are now on truck number 10. And the guy running the sorter thing is sitting up on top of the taters now. Really interesting process. So as a point of reference, that was truck number 23 that was making that pile that high. And we've been getting about 2 trucks an hour on average. And yesterday I put in 13 hours, and today is day number 2, and that's truck number 1. So that's 23 truckloads of potatoes in there.